Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for the sign Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. I am using two decks, Chakra Wisdom and Yasmin Bolan's Moonology. These two decks I will use to see the overall theme of the month. So the situation which is on the table right now, this is the same storyline which I have seen in the last month. Taurus people are dealing with another earth sign, and this is a story between a couple, a husband and a wife, a committed relationship, a family related issue. But both the guys are not in good terms with each other. I feel Taurus people are having very difficult time, and they are really trying hard to focus on one point. They are looking ahead in their life, and they want to have a sort of healing for themselves. They want to get over this pain which is lingering on their head from many years, I guess. The one thing which is very much sure over here, that there are different people in Taurus life, which are trying to give them their opinion, and their opinion is not worthy enough, let me tell you. So it's really a time to see ahead. It's really a time to be ambitious. It's really a time to use your own guts and your own abilities, and for that purpose you have the full capacity to do that. Whatever the situation is going on around you, whatever the difficulties are there in front of you, you have the full capacity to work on and work with everyone. You have the tools, you have the capacity, you have the guts, and I don't feel that there will be any sort of difficulty in front of you anymore. One thing which you need to overcome is other people's opinion. You seriously needs to reject all those type of whisperings and advices and suggestions which is going on, and which people are pouring in your ears. You really need to think from your own perspective. You need to think for your own self. It's time to close yourself up from everyone else and try to listen what your own heart is telling you. There are someone in your life with whom you are dealing, another earth sign, as I have said earlier. That person is very much focused upon you. They are expecting some sort of news from yourself. There may be a decision which you are trying to make, and they are expecting that as well. On one hand, you have been offered a cup of love, but on the other hand you have this heartbreak in your on your mind. You really think that this ace of cup is can become a three of swords in later times, and this really make you scared to some extent, or maybe reluctant towards the person, and you are thinking to leave the situation as early as possible, as quick as possible. I feel you want to move ahead. You really want to leave this situation because situation is not fulfilling. Your emotions are running dry over here. There is nothing left in the cups, and you want to move towards the happiness. You want to move towards the truth. There is some sort of realization. There is some sort of truth or news which you just have received. Maybe it is about that the person you are dealing with, they are already having some sort of other relationship as well. The one more card which I have specially for you over here is void moon, of course, and the message is nothing will come of this situation. It's useless to stay over here. It's useless to wait for the person to turn into someone very good towards you. It's useless to work upon this situation. It's time to manifest something new. It's time to start something new. It's time to if there is some sort of issues regarding finances, I feel you will be having a capacity to develop yourself and to become a very strong and stable person. So this is the situation for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising. Don't forget to give me feedback on this. I will see you next time in the next reading. Take care. Bye.